Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Aparna, and in today's video we are going to answer the question that frequently comes in our mind, that is, why do we sneeze and what happens when we sneeze. So these are the two questions that today we are going to answer this. So if you want to know the answers, then please continue watching the video till the end. So starting from our first question, that is, why do we sneeze? So, the answer is sneezing is a mechanism our body uses to clear the nose. When foreign matter such as dirt, pollen, smoke, or dust enters the nostrils, the nose may become irritated or tickled. When this happens, your body does what it needs to do to clear the nose. It causes a sneeze. A sneeze is one of your body's first defenses against invading bacteria and bugs. So this is why we sneeze. So now moving to our second question, that is, what happens when we sneeze? When a foreign particle enters our nose, it may interact with the tiny hairs and delicate skin that line our nasal passage. Particles and contaminants may be smoke, pollution, and perfume, etc. When the delicate lining of our nose experiences the first tinge of a foreign substance, it sends an electric signal to your brain. This signal tells your brain that the nose needs to clear itself. The brain signals your body that it's time for a sneeze, and your body responds by preparing itself for the impending contraction. In most cases, the eyes are forced shut, the tongue moves to the roof of the mouth, and the muscles brace for the sneeze. All this happens in just a few seconds. Now, sneezes also perform another vital role in our body. In 2012, researchers from the University of Pennsylvania discovered that sneezing is the nose's natural way to reset. The study found that cilia, the cells that line the tissue inside the nose, are rebooted with a sneeze. In other words, a sneeze resets the entire nasal environment. So, sneezing is good for our body unless it is an allergy. But one should keep in mind that or you when you sneeze, you should use your handkerchief, because sneezing is good for your body, but it can be harmful for others because it contains the dust and bacteria. So I hope that you have understood all the phenomena of sneezing. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe it. Thank you for watching.